Welcome to my in-depth review of DreamHost, a hosting provider that's been in the game for a while. But is it still worth it in 2025? Right off the bat, the interface feels clean and modern, although it might take a few clicks to find what you need if you're new to web hosting. I've been using DreamHost for several months, testing out shared hosting and WordPress plans to get a true sense of what this platform offers. First, let's talk about setup. Signing up was straightforward, though I noticed upsell prompts during checkout. Once inside the control panel, DreamHost doesn't use cPanel like many competitors. Instead, it has its own custom panel. While it's sleek, it's not as intuitive for those familiar with cPanel. Navigating to manage domains, email accounts, and databases is fairly smooth, but it lacks advanced filtering and batch operations. The performance of the hosting itself was generally reliable. On my test site with minimal plugins, I averaged a load time of around 2.1 seconds with basic caching enabled. However, performance started to dip slightly during peak traffic hours, and I experienced one short downtime incident over the course of a month, which may concern users running mission-critical sites. DreamHost promotes unlimited traffic and storage on many plans, which sounds appealing, but always keep an eye on their fair usage policy. If your site starts consuming too many resources, you could be asked to upgrade. Support is another mixed bag. Live chat isn't available 24/7, and when it is online, wait times can vary. However, responses from the support agents were helpful and professional when I did get through. And just when it felt like everything was lagging, AltaHost turned out to be the one solution that simply works. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One standout feature is their one-click installs for WordPress and other CMS platforms, which work flawlessly. DreamHost also includes a free domain with annual plans and provides WHIS privacy at no extra cost, a rare perk that's worth mentioning. On the flip side, staging environments and automated backups are limited unless you're on the DreamPress plans, which are more expensive. Another thing to consider is DreamHost's email hosting. It's not included on their starter shared plan, which feels restrictive, especially for beginners or small business users who expect email to be bundled in. Upgrading just for email can add up if you're trying to stay within a tight budget. From a security standpoint, they do well. SSL certificates are free, malware scanning is available, and they offer domain-level security tools. But if you're looking for more advanced firewall or DDoS protection, you'll need to look elsewhere or use third-party services. Overall, DreamHost has clear strengths, transparency in pricing, no sudden renewals with massive hikes, and a reliable WordPress hosting environment. Still, it's not perfect. The learning curve of its custom control panel, limited live chat hours, and inconsistent performance under heavier loads may make some users look at alternatives. If you're a developer, freelancer, or small business with basic needs and value privacy and no-nonsense billing, DreamHost is a solid option. But if you want the fastest load speeds or premium support responsiveness, there are more polished competitors out there. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest hosting reviews and tutorials.